मॉर्निंग द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 10। आज आप लोगों को प्रोज का लेसन टार्च बियरर का पेज नंबर 51 पे सी वाला लॉन्ग टाइप आंसर बता रहे हैं। देखिए ध्यान से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट टेस्ट डिड द ओल्ड मर्चेंट गिव टू हिज टू सन्स टू फाइंड आउट हु वाज द क्लीवरर ऑफ देम, व्हाई डिड ही वांट टू जज देम। बूढ़ा व्यापारी अपने दोनों पुत्रों को यह पता लगाने के लिए दोनों में सबसे चालाक क्यों ऐसा परीक्षा किया, वह ऐसा निर्णय क्यों करना चाहता था। आंसर, द ओल्ड मर्चेंट हैड अर्न मच मनी बाय सेलिंग एंड बाइंग गुड्स एंड when he saw his old age, he wanted to give his all money to whom between the two sons who proved himself that he is cleverer than the other. So he wanted to judge them about their cleverness. Question number 2, Why did the old merchant give 1 rupees to each of his two sons? बूढ़ा व्यापारी जो है अपने दोनों लड़कों के 1-1 रुपये क्यों दिया। How did the two sons spend the year? दोनों लड़के पैसा कैसे खर्च किए। What happened when both of them went back to their father? उनका क्या हुआ जब दोनों वापस अपने पिता के पास आए। देखिए आंसर, The old merchant gave 1 rupee to each of his two sons to prove their wisdom that who is more clever between them, and the old man wanted to know that who is more clever among the two sons, so he gave them 1 rupees to each, which could fill the whole house within 1 rupee. The two sons they spent their money on the things which could fill the whole house within 1 rupee. The first son bought a cart of hay, but it could not cover the whole floor of the house. But the second son bought the candles. The light of the candles could fill the whole house. What happened when the both of them went back to their father? When the both of them went back to their father, the first son spreaded all the hay on the floor of the house, but he became disappointed to see that the hay was not sufficient to cover the floor of the house. But the second son waited to the evening. When it became dark, he put the candles into the rooms of the house and lit them, and the whole house lighted with it. Question number 3, how did the old merchant come to know that his second son was cleverer than his first son? बूढ़ा व्यापारी कैसे ये ज्ञात हुआ कि उसका दूसरा लड़का पहले ज़्यादा बुद्धिमान है। नानक प्रे फॉर आंसर, द ओल्ड मर्चेंट केम टू नो दैट हिज सेकंड सन was cleverer than his first son because first son spent his money to buy a cart of hay, and when he spreaded all the hay on the floor of the house, he became disappointed and found that it was not enough. But when the second son lit the candles into the house. The whole house was filled with the light of the candle. So the old merchant found that his second son was cleverer than his first son. How were Guru Nanak and Mardana treated by the people of two villages? गुरु नानक और मर्दाना का दोनों गांवों में कैसा बर्ताव किया गया? What did Guru Nanak pray for them? गुरु नानक उनके लिए क्या प्रार्थना किया? Why did मर्दाना get मर्दाना परेशान क्यों था? How was his पूजल साल? उसकी समस्या को कैसे समाधान किया गया? Answer. Guru Nanak and Mardana treated badly by the people of the first village. They did not give a place to stay in night. Guru Nanak and Mardana spent their night in open, and they were hungry because the villagers of the first village did not give them food too. But when they went in the second village, the people of the second village gave them place to stay night. They warmly received both the person and gave them food. What did Guru Nanak pray for them? Guru Nanak prayed for the people of the first village to remain where are they, but he prayed for the villagers of the second village to scatter throughout the country. Why did Mardana get puzzled? मर्दाना परेशान क्यों था? मर्दाना got puzzled because Guru Nanak prayed for the first villager to remain only one place, but he prayed to scatter the whole country for the people of the second village. How was his puzzle solved? उसकी परेशानी कैसे समाधान किया गया? His puzzle was solved. Guru said that the first villagers were rude and inhospitable, so I prayed for them to remain only one place because the evils and vices might remain only one place. But the people of the second village have had good habits and it should be scattered throughout the country. Question number 5. What does the writer mean when he says a chain is as strong as its weakest link? लेखक ऐसा क्या कहता है? लेखक का इसका क्या अर्थ है जब वह कहता है कि एक श्रृंखला उतनी ही मजबूत होती है कि जितनी इसकी सबसे कमज़ोर कड़ी होती है? वाई डज ही सो से? वह ऐसा क्यों कहता है? हाउ कैन द चेन बी स्ट्रांग? एक चैन जो है श्रृंखला कैसे मजबूत हो सकती है? व्हाट इज आवर ड्यूटी इन दिस कनेक्शन? इस संबंध में हमारा क्या कर्तव्य है? Answer. The writer means when he says a chain is as strong as its weakest link because a chain is made by a link. If its weakest link is broken out, it means the whole chain is broken out. He says so because a chain is made by its weakest link, and one link makes a chain. The chain can be made strong by its link. If the link is strong, the chain is also be strong. What is our duty in this connection? It is our duty to be strong in this connection, because if we are strong in the connection of the country, our country would be strong. Thanks. Jai Hind.